Welcome all to this Pilates and stretching session. I invite you to connect with your body, release tension, and renew your energy. Let's start by taking 3 deep breaths in any comfortable sitting position. Starting to connect with your energy. How does your body feel today? Close your eyes and let go. Slowly bring your palms together, arms up to the sky, and bring the elbows down and up 10 times, squeezing your shoulder blades together and feeling your arms really active and your core active as well. Feeling your spine long and strong here. It feels really good to start working your back. Now open and close your arms like so, with the elbows bent 10 times as well. Continue to lengthen your spine, sitting nice and tall. Like this, you are engaging your deep muscles on your core. Next, 10 twists. Keep your elbows bent in the shape that you see and twisting, creating mobility on your shoulder blades. Look far with your gaze as well. This twist is great for the upper back. Unlocks all the tension stored in there. Now close the elbows, look down, stretch the back of your neck, then open the arms, open your chest, open heart 10 times, creating elasticity on the upper spine and the back of your neck. Really nice, this one, for this area. Breathing in to look down, breathing out to open. Breathing in to look down, out to open. Work with your breath. Let the breath help you. To melt even more the tension, just relax your head down and let the elbows be heavy. Staying tall on your spine by keeping the core engaged. Nice. Now we do the opposite. Open chest, open elbows, look up, open heart. Enjoy. Great. Now arms rotations, 10 circles to one side, quick and small circles here, and 10 to the other side. Straight into 10, squeezing elbows, almost like if you want to touch your elbows behind your back. Squeezing your shoulder blades into a side body stretch where we're gonna mobilize the neck, looking up 3 times. Moving on to the other side as long as you can. Feel your back nice and long. Using the opposite arm for support. And into tabletop for cat and cow 10 times. Cat and cow is great for creating mobility and air and flexibility in your spine, in between each vertebra. Making sure you're tilting your hips back and forward. Moving from the tip of your head to your coccyx. The hips are really involved. Arching and curving to your maximum here. And helping with the breath. Breathing in and out. In to curve, out to arch. How far can you go? Feel free to go at your own pace. You don't need to follow my pace. Your spine is feeling more flexible after cat and cow, and let's go into a downward dog. to release the tension on your legs and bring the hips up as much as you can. Feel the stretch on the back of your legs here. Good. Let's lay down on the mat now with your back on the mat and bring your knee to the chest. Feel how your back rests on the mat. Take 2 deep breaths and then slowly bring the knee to the side for the twist, for the spine twist. Looking away from your knee. This stretch is great for your spine, again to create mobility and flexibility, and it helps digestion as well, and it just releases all the tension in your back, so really enjoy this one. Gently coming back, and then hug your knee to the chest a little bit more with the other leg bent to finish unloading any tension that you might have on your hips. And let's do the same on the other side. First, hug your knee to the chest, feeling your lower back and the whole of your spine nice and long in the mat. Let the mat hold you. You don't need to hold any tension. Just release here 2 deep breaths and slowly bring your knee into the twist. Looking over to the other side with your gaze. You don't need to do anything here, just let your spine release all its tension. One of my favorite stretch, this one. And slowly coming back, hug your knee to the chest, this time with the opposite leg bent. So your lower back is more onto the ground, and just relaxing here. Noticing how your body feels now after the twist. Now let's bring the hips up, only the hips, like a slight tilt 10 times. You tilt pubic bone towards you, breathing in, and breathing out, release back to neutral position with your arms by your side, 10 times, activating your deep core muscles. Tilting your hips and back to neutral, keeping your knees hip distance apart, really engaging the core, feeling your deep core muscles in here. This one is really good. Simple and effective at the same time to target this quite difficult to find sometimes muscle that is your core, your deep abdomen, your lower abdominal area. Now with the palms facing down, bring the arms back over your head as long as you can and bring them down 10 times. Feel the nice stretch on your spine, on your shoulders as well. Feel the nice mobility on your shoulders and the length of your spine with this one. Also simple and effective. Now let's dive into the final 3 stretches. Onto a tabletop, bring the arm up to the ceiling and thread the needle between your hand and leg, twisting your upper back, bring the ear to the mat, just close your eyes and 3 deep breaths. Feel the twist, how all the tension stored in your back is releasing. Thread the needle relieves tension in the upper back, neck, and shoulders while improving thoracic spine mobility. Slowly on to the other side, gently twisting the spine and opening the shoulders. It improves posture, aids relaxation, and acts as a great counter stretch for desk workers. This posture, Urdhva Mukha Pasana, enhances blood flow to the upper body, and it's calming and restorative pose. It helps reducing stress and calming the mind. Now slowly moving on to Balasana or Child's Pose. This is a restorative pose that reduces stress, relieves the back and the neck tension, and gently stretches the hips, thighs, and ankles. So take deep breaths in here with the forehead on the mat. Slowly moving into our final stretch, Urdhva Mukha Savasana. This posture strengthens the arms, shoulders, and the spine while opening the chest, lungs, and abdomen. Feel the stretch on the hip flexors and the front body, and gently coming into a seated position to bring the palms together and say thank you for today's practice. Thank you for practicing with me, for allowing me to guide you through these stretches and these Pilates movements. I hope you are feeling energized, renewed, and relaxed, ready to move on to your day. And I really hope you have a lovely day, and see you soon with more videos. If you like this video, feel free to come back whenever you need, to recommend it to a friend, and you can like and subscribe for more. Until next time.